Hello friends, welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to learn about vehicles, the machines that help us travel and carry things.
Yay! I love cars and buses, Mom.
Yes, let us see amazing vehicles today. This is a submarine.
This is a submarine.
This is a hot air balloon.
This is a hot air balloon.
This is a tow truck.
This is a tow truck.
This is a sailboat.
This is a sailboat.
This is a UFO.
This is a UFO.
This is a motorbike.
This is a motorbike.
This is a helicopter.
This is a helicopter.
This is a dump truck.
This is a dump truck.
This is a shuttle.
This is a shuttle.
This is a racing car.
This is a racing car.
This is a bus.
This is a bus.
This is a taxi cab.
This is a taxi cab.
This is an ambulance.
This is an ambulance.
This is a train.
This is a train.
This is a moped.
This is a moped.
This is a police car.
This is a police car.
This is a blimp.
This is a blimp.
This is a truck.
This is a truck.
This is a utility truck.
This is a utility truck.
This is a plane.
This is a plane.
This is a tractor.
This is a tractor.
This is a ship.
This is a ship.
Amazing! You have learned so many vehicles today. Vehicles help us every day. They make our lives easier and fun. Which is your favorite vehicle?
My favorite vehicle is hot air balloon.
Amazing! We will definitely travel with a hot air balloon someday. Thanks for learning with us today. See you tomorrow for more fun learning.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.